Hello everyone, Arms Inc. here, and today I got a quick review on something I got from Black Friday. It is the 12 function multi tool from Walmart. It's the Winchester multi tool, like knockoff Leatherman. First off, my first impressions of it was when I saw it in the package. I thought, wow, that's, looks pretty nice. Looks like it's got carbon fiber or whatnot. Well, it's not carbon fiber. It is just steel with like a small thin coat, and taking it out of the packaging, I had that major scratch on it, so you can already tell it's real low quality. The knife is kind of dull, not very sharp, and on a lot of the tools it's just real poor craftsmanship. I don't know if I'm gonna leave this inside my truck, and I hope I never have to use it. It doesn't even close like equal. It's kind of off alignment there, and there. Never mind. I take that back. Yeah, it's pretty close. Anyways, but it's for $5. Yeah, it's kind of worth it, but I don't know. If I had seen this review, I would have passed on it. I wouldn't have bought it. But if you got it, that's good. Or if you need something very, very cheap just to leave in your car for emergencies or something, this is the way to go. But do not. This is not going to be something I'm going to carry at all or use pretty much at all. Hopefully, I don't know, in case maybe an emergency. But yeah, it's a piece of crap. But it was only $5. So yeah, like I said, it's the Winchester 12 function multi tool from Walmart for Black Friday. I've bought some other stuff, and some of the other stuff that I've gotten from like these $5–10 little knives and whatnot are pretty decent quality, but this one is not worth it. I'm a little disappointed with Winchester for even putting their name on this. So anyways, and also something known to cause cancer or something. I don't know. Anyways, piece of crap. I would say pass on it unless you need something for super cheap, and I don't know. But yeah. Anyways, aloha. Mahalo for watching. If you've got any comments, questions, suggestions, please leave them in the comment box down below. Yeah, if you got anything else, shows.